Yo, what's going on, people? What is going on? Yo, PP here, right here. But we got out here. Hey guys, um, the update that I have for you is that I passed another challenge account yesterday. Now I have 3 combines. I have 1 more to pass. That's the update I have for you. Uh, I forgot to record myself yesterday to make a video for you guys, tell you guys how I made the $700. But that's what we made. Still made about $900. As you can see, it's more than 10 trades, and that's not good. I'm kind of over trading. But today, even though we over traded, as you can see, our loss was in our acceptable limits, right? Under $250, 250, and we made that back, right? Because we have a max loss, daily loss limit of $750 a day. That's my max daily loss limit for all my accounts. But for today, my bias was bullish. My bias was bullish because starting on the weekly time frame, on the weekly, last week we took out this major low, but we closed back inside of the range. Because we closed back inside of the range, I was thinking, okay, we're gonna be bullish for the week. This is why yesterday I also took longs, right? Because my bias was longs. That's on the weekly time frame. But on the daily time frame, we have to be careful because we have to find out where exactly do we need to get in, right? So for yesterday, I used this daily fair value gap as part of my entry mechanism. That's how I, took my trade yesterday. But for today, let me hide this. For today, before this, hold on. I think he will be better. Yeah, he'll be better. That way I can do replay mode for you guys. Alright, cool. Before I woke up, I saw that we had this 4-hour fair value gap, right? Which I highlighted. And then I also highlighted this 1-hour fair value gap right here. Right. Because my bias was bullish, we have these 2 relative equal lows, right? Sell side. I wanted us to come back down, right? Come back down, take out sell side, and then go up high to take out buy side, right? That's my bias. For me to be bullish, some form of liquidity has to be taken below, right? If you look left, there is also this relative equal highs, which 8 o'clock, here 8 o'clock, 6 o'clock, sorry, 6 o'clock did not take out the high. So we have even more buy side here to take, right? So going down to the 15-minute. Price came back down, right? Came down to here. If you look at the regular trading hours, we had a big gap open, right? About 120 points. So I wanted us to at least touch the 50%, which we did touch. You can see here, 50%, we touched it. And then my entry was somewhere here. Boom. My entry was there. I wanted us to target here, but I got out somewhere here, right? But my problem is I had entered a little bit too early, somewhere around here. and it stopped me out. And then I entered for a sell to the 50%, which was good. So I broke even, and then I entered again here, but I moved price too tightly. Price came back down, took me out. I entered again here. This is the first presented fair value gap. Do I have one here? No, I don't. This is the first presented fair value gap. If you look at the new week opening gaps, it's right here, right? So price came back up, came down. I entered again here. Boom. Entered again here. I moved my stop somewhere here. Then price took me out. But as you can see, price actually hit my target. So I entered again somewhere here. My stop was somewhere like this. So this could have been something like this. This was my trade, but I actually got out somewhere here for like a 1 to 8 or something, right? Yeah, you can see my chart executions. Entered too early here because I was on the 15-second time frame. I saw something good, but on the 1 minute, it did not play out. Took me out. Entered for the minor sell. This is came down to the 50%, as you can see there. Came down to the 50%. I'm not liking this crosshair. Okay. Came down to the 50% here. Entered for a buy here. Boom. Price came back down, took me out here because I trailed my stop too aggressively. Entered again here and entered again here. Entered again here because I was on the 32nd. If you look at the 32nd, there's a fair value gap here. Even on the 15-second, I redefined it again here, right? So I'm up 10 contracts here, plus 1 contract there. Take me out at 11 contracts somewhere here. Boom, right? Think I got out here again or something, and then I entered again here for like 5.5. Yeah. Another trader did here, came back down, took me out because I trailed it too aggressively. It bounced on the first presented fair value gap. Entered again for another 5.5 plus 1, that's 11. Took me out somewhere here because I moved my stop like right here, and then it took me out with this wick right here. So for this account, I already have 3 winning days. I need 2 more. Hopefully I do not mess up, right? Because tomorrow there's news and stuff, and it might be actually a funny day to trade because, you know, we just took out a major, you know, we just took out this weekly high. So price might play around tomorrow because there's news, so it might not actually move properly. Let me remove the drawings. All right. 30th. Today's the 28th, 22nd, 27th. Yeah, see, high impact news. We have FOMC at 1 p.m. Central Time. So that's not good, man. Even at 1:30. So because of this, like price might be playing around too much. So I may not even trade tomorrow, but if I do, I'll be trading with smaller size because I don't want to lose my winning days. And if I do lose, I get a losing day. I don't want it to be like more than like $200, right? I don't want that to happen. Or I should say more than $500. So I may change my a daily loss tomorrow to $500 instead of 750. That way, you know, I'm just losing a little bit. And I may even limit myself to just 1 or 2 trades. That's it, right? At least like if I get 200 bucks, 20 bucks, yeah, that'll be solid for my days. So this is the account I passed yesterday. Took the same trade today. Boom. This is an account I'm trying to pass. As you can see, I only need like $160 to pass. Hopefully tomorrow. This is the account I showed you. This is the other one. So hopefully this helped you guys out. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.